Now let us see the question number 34. What is lymph? Write a short note on lymphatic system. Lymph is a colorless fluid. It is colorless, which is also involved in transportation. It is also called the tissue fluid. It consists of plasma and proteins. Lymph does not contain RBC, that is red blood cells, so it is pale and colorless. Also, it contains less protein compared to the blood. Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a part of the immune system as well as the circulatory system. The lymphatic system consists of lymph vessels, lymphatic capillaries, and lymphatic nodes. The flow of lymphatic system. Lymphatic flow begins in the area around the blood capillaries. In these areas, a small amount of tissue fluid drains into the lymphatic capillaries through its pores, that is small holes. The lymphatic capillaries then drain into larger lymph vessels that look like thin transparent veins. These veins now open into the large veins. What is the function of the lymphatic system? The lymph vessels carry digested and absorbed fats from the intestine. It collects intercellular fluid through the medium of lymph vessels and returns it back to the blood circulation. The system also protects against diseases as it is connected with the immune system also.